How am I going? I'm this close to losing my mind. This morning they sent us a WhatsApp saying that for breakfast we're having minced pork congee, glutinous rice chicken in lotus leaf, vegetable and dim sum. But then when breakfast started arriving, lots of people were like, where's the glutinous chicken rice? So most people were getting this bun thing, pork congee, and no glutinous chicken rice. But then the knock on my door came, and look what I have. You know, I never get lucky with things like this, so I'm really happy. Okay, so I haven't been that consistent with filming. I've been taking photos of the food every day, but I haven't been filming it because it's been more or less the same. But I had to film today because the food quality here has improved so much. Look, like this is a whole rib. That's incredible. This is gonna take forever to dry. Holy crap, a whole chicken leg. They've really been improving. I don't know, maybe they changed like the person who manages hotel quarantine food, but okay, I'm just gonna go in with my hands. Okay, wow, this is actually pretty good. Day 9, lunch, and the pork, I don't even want to take it out. I put it in the bin. I'll put some pictures here, but it was pretty much raw minced pork. So I just threw it away. My partner was able to get me a burrito and oh, this huge bag of Cheeto Puffs, egg rolls, and also a SIM card. Some food he got me from America. So we got 4 tubs of guacamole, a box full of blueberries and blackberries. The pineapple is mine. Another tub full of lettuce, cos lettuce. Let's open up this thing. Oh my god, this burrito is huge. I'm not sure if on camera you can see exactly how big it is. It's called a burrito, but it's not really like a proper Mexican or even Tex-Mex burrito. It's like more of a wrap, but it's got some beans and salsa in it, and it's pretty good. Very healthy. Today is day 10 of my hotel quarantine. 10 out of 14 done. How am I going? I'm this close to losing my mind. I would say that overall, the biggest struggle of hotel quarantine isn't so much the isolation or the food, but rather the lack of sunlight and fresh air. So we have the air conditioning running 24/7 and we can't open the windows, which I feel like makes my throat feel a bit dry and scratchy. And it makes me paranoid if I'm infected. But I'm probably not since they haven't called me for my 7-day test yet and it's day 10. It's actually been kind of fun seeing what I can cook up. Well, not really cook, but what I can concoct with everything that I have, everything that I'm given, and with my new supplies. One thing that I have noticed with the food is that there's not a lot of vegetables, not a lot of fresh raw vegetables. Before my supplies were dropped off yesterday, I had been, as you know, I finished my spinach and I've been really missing fresh vegetables. We do have fresh fruit, like they give us pears and apples and oranges. I didn't really want to order food for a couple of reasons. One, because it is an extra expense. To be in hotel quarantine, we actually pay for the meals 3 times a day. And 2, delivered food is just not quite the same. So when you order something, it takes the delivery driver usually around 20 to 40 minutes to get here. And once it's here, it takes the hotel staff about 30 to 40 minutes to bring it up. So if you think about it, by the time it's cooked and brought to me and I can eat it, an hour and a half has already passed. I got McDonald's today. I've already started eating it because I was so hungry. This is the McSpicy. It's a spicy chicken fillet with lettuce and sauce. They actually introduced this in Australia, but it's not the same. The patty is awful. It's nothing like the McSpicy in Asia. And here we have the Mac wings, of which I took a couple of bites out of one. And for most food, the quality is just not there anymore. Like, it's just not worth it. Not to mention, for the food that would keep well, there's no microwave here, so I can't really heat it up. My room is located right outside the elevator, so I can hear people coming and going, you know, the sound of the luggage wheels. And that's pretty much the only human contact I get, aside from on day 7 when I was tested. So we get tested, well, people in 14-day quarantine in Hong Kong, we get tested on the 7th day and the 12th day, and we also have to get ourselves tested on the 19th day. Yeah, so they came in full PPE. It was 2 ladies. Before you open the door, they asked that you bring your chair over, this chair, over to the door, as well as a rubbish bin. So after they're done testing you, they can throw away their gloves and stuff in the bin. When she was doing it, she had this machine where it kind of blew air back in my face, I guess, so it stops any aerosols or droplets getting to them or in the corridor. I'll show you how I keep track of days here. They make us test our temperatures twice a day. So staying here, they say 14 days, but it actually means 14 nights. So technically I could be released at 11:59 p.m. of the 17th. But I mean, like, I don't really have anywhere to go at midnight. I've also been researching things to do here in Hong Kong. If you have any suggestions, please leave it down in the comments below. Yeah, any like hidden spots or like cool places that maybe the public doesn't really know about, that would be really cool. We are in the new hotel room. This is Burlington. I just arrived. Checking out from quarantine took about an hour longer than what I thought it would take. It was so delayed that they ended up giving me lunch. So that was my last meal at the quarantine hotel. And then I took an Uber here. This is a little bit closer to kind of the Causeway Bay main area. And yeah, I'll show you around. So this is the bathroom with a shower. They gave a bag of free toiletries, which is nice. The sink is... Hello. I'm dressed like a hobo. Anyway, lots of mirrors. All the mirrors make the room feel bigger. And there's a tiny little desk and a chair and a bed. This room is smaller than my quarantine room. Yeah, if I had to quarantine in this hotel, I don't think I would have made it. It is really small. The TV. This wallboard looks very good, and yeah, we have complimentary mineral water. Here's the closet. One thing I like about Asian hotels is that they always give you slippers. There's a mini fridge, mini bar, and yeah, just basic hotel stuff.